Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's not just about legalities but also love, society and the evolving landscape of Indian law. Imagine you found your soulmate, but societal pressures and familial expectations make traditional marriages a daunting path. Court marriages seem like a viable option, right? But wait, there is a twist. Bhartiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS. How does it change the dynamics of court marriages in India? Stay tuned to find out. In this video, we'll explore 1. What is court marriage? 2. The legal framework governing court marriages in India. 3. The introduction of Bhartiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS and its implications. 4. Key case laws and judicial commentaries that have shaped court marriages. 5. The deeper impact of BNS on court marriages. What's new and what has changed. 6. A recap and conclusion with practical advice from those considering court marriages. So let's get on with the video. Court marriage in India is straightforward. Civil contract between two individuals regardless of their caste, religion or creed. Governed by the Special Marriage Act of 1954, it offers a spectacular alternative to traditional marriage ceremonies. This act allows for interfaith marriages and ensures legal protection for the couple. The Special Marriages Act of 1954 outlines the procedures for court marriages. Here is a brief overview of it. Notice of intent in marriage. The couple must give a 30-day notice to the marriage officer in the jurisdiction where at least one of them has resided for the last 30 days prior to the notice. 2 is objections. During the 30-day period, objections to the marriage can be raised by any person. 3 is solemnization. If no objections are raised, the marriage can be solemnized before the marriage officer and 3 witnesses. 4 is registration. The marriage is then registered and a marriage certificate is issued. The Bhartiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS is a comprehensive legislative reform aimed at overhauling the Indian Penal Code, the Code of Criminal Procedure or CRPC and the Indian Evidence Act. These reforms to seek, modernize and streamline the criminal justice system, making it more efficient and accessible. Several landmark judgments have shaped the Indian legal system of court marriages in India. Here are a few significant ones. The first case law is Lata Singh versus State of UP. The Supreme Court upheld the right of consenting adults to marry and live together, emphasizing that the right is part of personal liberty under Article 21 of the Constitution. The second case law is Shafin Jahan versus Ashokin KM. The Supreme Court reaffirmed the right of adults to choose their life partners, emphasizing that the state and society cannot intrude into their personal decisions. Third is Nandakumar versus State of Kerala. The Supreme Court declared that the right to marry a person of one's choice is integral in Article 21. What is Article 21? It is a right to life and personal liberty of the Constitution. Let's talk about some judicial commentaries. Justice Deepak Gupta remarked in a 2019 speech that the freedom to marry is fundamental to human existence and is intertwined with the right to dignity and privacy. The second is Justice A.K. Sikri. In various judgments, emphasized the need for a legal system to protect individuals from societal pressures and honor crimes. The BNS introduces several changes that impact court marriages. A simplified procedure is the first. BNS aims to simplify the documentation process, reducing bureaucratic hurdles. The second is the introduction of digital platforms. Filing notices and objections can make the process more accessible. The second is enhanced protection. BNS introduces stringent penalties for honor killings and related offences, providing better protection for couples. Provisions for protecting witnesses in sensitive cases and involving interfaith marriages and intercaste marriages. The third is legal recognition and rights. BNS is expected to address the legal recognition of same-sex marriages, ensuring equality and protection under the law. Fourth is inheritance and property rights. Clearer guidelines on inheritance and property rights for couples married under the Special Marriage Act. The fifth is addressing societal issues or social issues. BNS mandates awareness campaigns to educate people about the legalities and rights associated with court marriages. Counseling services. Provision for counseling services for couples facing societal and familial pressures. Here's a case study to further understand BNS. The case study is the Arya and Samaj marriage. Let's consider a practical example. Arya and Samaj, an interfaith couple, decided to marry under the Special Marriage Act. However, the journey wasn't smooth. They faced a lot of objections from both family and threats from societal groups. With the introduction of BNS, the process became more streamlined. Digital platforms helped them to file notices and responses quickly. The enhanced protection provision gave them the confidence without the fear of honor crimes. Today, Arya and Samaj are happily married with full legal recognition and protection under the new framework. To sum up, the Bhartiya Nyaya Sanhita brings significant changes to the landscape of court marriages in India. By simplifying procedures, enhancing protection, and addressing societal issues, BNS aims to make court marriages more accessible and secure. If you're considering a court marriage, it's essential to be aware of these changes and understand your rights. Here's a recap of what we have learned today from this video. Court marriage basics. A civil contract under the Special Marriage Act of 1954. 2. Legal framework. Notice, objections, solemnization and registration. 3. BNS impact. Simplified procedures, enhanced protection, legal recognition and addressing social issues. 4. Case laws and commentaries. Key judgments and judicial insights shaping the law. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay informed and stay empowered. Take care and bye-bye.